Today is Tuesday, May 10th. Happy National Shrimp Day. I want to start taking a look at commodities. They've been having a rough go of it recently. And the rising trend that was in place for quite a while, which was very encouraging to emerging markets and markets in general, it's in trouble right now. Right up here we have the Energy SPDR ETF, just representing energy and oil producers, oil drillers and integrated oils all together. You can see it's still in a rising trend. It's still got support here at the 50 and the 200-day average. So it's not terrible, but let's take a look, put a little line up there, and this looks like a good place to draw it. And it is arguably broken to the downside. I don't want to say it is officially completely confirmed broken just yet, but it looks like there's a lot of trouble right here for the sector. Now, why is this happening? Let's take a look at some stocks within. Chevron, big oil, well, it's still doing pretty well. It's off its high, of course, but the trend still looks to be intact. It's well above its averages. So I'm going to look over at the Oil Services ETF. All right, don't worry about that pattern there. This trend is a little weaker, and it looks like it might be in danger. It's already below its averages. And just for kicks, let's put that trend line in there. Draw from the same place as the other. Now, is that broken? Is that less arguable? Is that more officially broken? It did close worse in its daily range than the XLE did yesterday. So this is, again, something to watch. It does look like it's breaking. However, take a look at volume down at the bottom there. Yesterday's volume was pretty low considering this was supposed to be a breakdown. So again, not declaring this to be broken just yet. But let's look at some of the stocks within. One of the bigger ones, Schlumberger, that is a broken stock. He's really not, you really can't argue that it hasn't broken yet. It's clearly below its averages. And just for fun, let's put that trend line in. Now, here's the trend line from a different origin a little earlier. And if we want to use the same origin as the other, why am I not getting this? Let's do it again. Segment. There we go. Operator error. So now you have, breakdowns in two different styles, I guess, plus the moving averages. So I'd say Schlumberger is broken. Look at some big losers yesterday. Weatherford, Oil Services. That is a new closing low, 52-week closing low. Clearly broken. That's a pretty big gap down there a couple days ago. And Oceaneering, pretty huge decline yesterday. That also looks to me to be broken. It failed at the 200-day average up here and now is threatening the 50-day. So energy looks like it's in trouble for now. I know that the gasoline ETF's been having trouble lately. Oil hasn't quite broken yet, but just looking at the stocks in the energy sector, it's not a good thing. So keep an eye on that. I don't want to declare the commodities resurgence to be dead yet, but definitely some jeopardy going on.